Let's go through the care requirements for the Monstera Thai Constellation. This is one of my favorite houseplants with its stunning white and creamy variegation. This beauty requires a bit of specialized care to thrive and maintain its unique appearance. Here are a few of my tips for keeping your Monstera Thai Constellation healthy and vibrant. Plants with variegation benefit from a well-rounded NPK plant food. This stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. I opt for a water-soluble plant food in the warmer months, and I use this monthly. In the cooler months, you can use this once a season or switch to a slow-release fertilizer. Correct watering is important for all houseplants, but especially for the Monstera Thai Constellation. This plant is more susceptible to root rot, so it needs a well-draining soil and a pot with drainage holes. I water mine once a week in summer and once every 2 weeks in the cooler months, but I always check first that it actually needs a drink. Most plants will show you when they are thirsty. You just need to know what to look for. You can tell if your Monstera plant needs water as the leaves will start to curl under slightly and droop. You can also stick your finger into the soil and feel if it's damp. When you water your houseplants, water them well. Don't add small amounts of water daily. It is better to give them one big drink weekly. This way you can make sure the root ball is completely saturated and there are no dry spots. Just as important as plant food and watering is the potting medium you choose to use. For my Monstera Thai Constellation, I use an Aroid mix. They are Aroids after all. If you want to make your own, you can use a blend of soil with perlite and orchid bark. This ensures that the soil retains enough moisture while allowing excess water to drain away quickly. These big, beautiful leaves tend to be a bit of a dust magnet, so I clean mine monthly. I go in with a neem oil and my gloves, but you can use a cloth as well. You want to spray the front and back of your foliage and also the stems, and then wipe it off. Neem oil is a natural insecticide and fungicide that will help protect your Thai Constellation from common pests like spider mites, mealybugs, and scale, as well as some fungal issues. Now, some people do find the smell a bit off-putting because it is a sulfuric smell. If you know, you know. It does not bother me at all though, and when I know the benefits of using this organic product, it really is worth it. I also find it very calming to spritz and wipe the leaves. Keep your plant out of direct sunlight for 24 to 48 hours after you have used neem oil, or you may end up with scorched leaves. Keep the beautiful variegation on your Thai Constellation. You need to make sure you are feeding it properly and that it gets plenty of sunlight. But remember, even with the best care, the variegated sections will still die off faster. Although the variegations are beautiful, they are in fact a mutation and do not benefit your plant. This is because these white areas lack chlorophyll, which is crucial for photosynthesis. Without chlorophyll, the plant's ability to convert sunlight into energy is reduced, making the white sections more vulnerable to stress and environmental changes. This happens on other variegated plants as well, such as the philodendron pink princess. I have found you can usually snip off the browning section with no detriment to the rest of the leaf. To encourage more fenestrations in your foliage, which are those glorious splits and holes, there is a few things that you can do. Allow vertical growth by providing support, maintain consistent watering and humidity, provide nutrients during the growing season. Finally, with all good things, be patient, they come with maturity. If you have any other questions about this plant, please leave them below.